Hello, welcome to our channel for creating digital content with artificial intelligence. Today, we will show you a new tool that you can use.
You're going to log into the application through your browser. This website I am pointing you to, and this page will appear. https://www.songar.ai. As you notice, here you can create songs as if you were a professional. And you can do it with just a few clicks. Besides that, to be clear, you don't need a musical experience. Also here we get the option to test the application. Step 2, we click there. Now we are on the page where I can create the different genres or styles. At the moment I have 4 styles. It is possible that these styles will be more and more, or change. Step 3. For us to be able to create the lyrics, we can have them already written in a document, or they can be of our authorship. If I click here in the white part, or simply I give a theme here, and through ChatGPT, the tool creates me the letter from the theme that I indicate it. For my case I will select the pop style. Step 4. Now, I am going to write here a song for Mother's Day, and by clicking this arrow, the platform will create the lyrics. In this screen we can see the lyrics created by the platform with ChatGPT. You can also click clear, and you can delete them if you don't like them. You can also click on it again, so that it will try to make another letter with the same theme. Here below we see the number of characters that are pending, because they are up to 750, and in addition to that, you can choose between the voices of Emily or the voices of Kevin. Step 5. When we press render, the song will be created. Let's see how it looks like. In the pop genre. Here we can see that the song was activated, and let's listen to see how it sounds. Let's press play. Step 6. How do you notice? Look, here comes out the option to download. I can either download this video or download the audio. For the moment, I am going to download our audio. How do you notice this song already appears, and I'm going to click on it. And now you can send it through social networks. This way you already learned. However, now I'm going to show you 4 more songs with the other music genres. Step 7. Now I'm going to click backwards to create a new song, but in another genre. The process is the same. Now let's choose another genre. Let's make it Father's Day, and I'm going to click to create a new song. As we can see here, we have the text already done. Now we are going to put Kevin to sing, and we are going to press render to make the song. You see it's the same, i.e. the same process. I'll click backwards. Step 8. But in this example now I am going to include my own lyrics. For the example of our own lyrics, I'm going to take a Beatles lyric. The Yellow Submarine we all know. I'm going to use it in the piano rock genre. And, let's pick the second button to include my lyrics. In this window, pasted the lyrics there. And I want Emily to sing it. Select here and press render. Now let's listen. We've finished the previous one, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the coffee option. I have my own lyrics. And pasted the same song to see the differences, and now I select Kevin to sing and we'll listen. Great, this is a very fun application, and I hope you liked it the way I explained it. We have finished this tutorial. I hope you continue creating music.
Thank you for visiting our Artificial Intelligence content channel. Give it a like if you liked our video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay up to date with these fantastic tools.